Babe, are you a little overdressed?
Little.
Just a little bit?
It looks like Isis.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Yep.
Sisters.
They look exactly like her.
Can you take a video from the back?
Is that church service there? So our birthday friend's name is Philip. He said quite a few vloggers come out here. Now I can see why. Definitely a very unique experience. Now they put that boat on they've got a bamboo, I don't know what you call it. Malbuntag. Kind of a raft made out of styrofoam underneath and bamboo on top. And they set the boat on top. Wow, look at this. Are those poles for fishing, babe, here? Are these poles for fishing, the bamboo sticking out like that? Can you ask this guy?
Parang saan to, kuya? Ha? Ano yun? Ah, for tuna, yeah.
To catch tuna. Okay, yeah.
Or the fish.
Wow.
Awit ng pasasalamat para lang sa kanya. Look, the house.
Oh, that's what they mean by we're going fishing. How many hours have they been waiting, huh? Uh-oh. Triple trouble. Quadruple trouble.
May isda na dito, kuya. Okay. Go, Vincent, friend.
I can't get back. Okay. More thoughts and prayers, guys.
Nag-video ba kayo?
Hey, what's What's up, Jhaja?
4 hours later.
Fuck you, Aaron.
Double trouble, huh?
4 hours later, guys, I swear.
Is that how long you've been sitting here? 4 hours?
Nothing, Aaron.
Already here.
Hey, we're done, by the way. Good, let's go back.
Hi, Aaron.
Hello. You're too heavy. You're too heavy, Vanjie.
Oh my God.
Do you guys like
Go on the side.
Oh, yeah. Kiss
Happy
Jhaja.
birthday, big boy. Happy birthday.
Happy
22 today?
So, paano tayo mag-fishing? Lalangoy ba tayo?
Lani. Murag-murag yung sa cover na to. Dili kayo. Dili siya. Wala po dyan. Ako na nakakuan sa iPhone. Wala yung lalala. Hello! Normal.
Yeah, they had a big tuna over there, actually. They brought.
Oh, they brought what? It's
Yeah, they brought one. Yeah.
Akala ko ba nasa
Chris,
na
you see that?
So we didn't get the memo on the pirate theme.
I did. Who they get that? They look like they caught it because it was still bleeding.
Well, obviously they ain't buying it.
They
They don't have. It's not like the expensive Western world tuna. I think they have yellowfin tuna here, but that didn't have a yellowfin. I mean, it's meaty, but it's like brown meat, so it's not that sexy, you know. But the red snapper, that's white and flaky.
Yeah, I like the way.
Yeah.
Are you gonna jump in or what?
It's expensive though. It's like
Bro, look at the sides of that thing. What is that? Is that still bamboo or what is that on the side?
And that's got a serious engine in it.
Yeah.
That's not a little 5 horsepower diesel. That's like a V8 or something.
The sides are super high.
That's a cruiser.
this is a Corvette.
Might be. Sounds like it.
Oh, nandito na sila yun. Message ako sa'yo 5:30 a.m.
Oh man, I woke up.
Hey, Vanjie, why didn't you guys tell us we had to look like pirates?
We had to look like pirates.
But Gypsy was.
We didn't get the memo. Yeah.
Donald for his.
Ayaw niya magpairam. Gusto ko
Yarr.
This is
Here, go get it.
Huwag ka nang mahila. Is it okay? Oo, wala siya magagawa.
The Gypsy convention.
Diba ang ganda ng quality? Okay na, baby.
Yeah, of course I got my
Ano lang lang dito? Ay, bakit ito pinapasok ng akin? Sabi ko ba? Para tayong ano, may kalasabit.
Bring a German Shepherd down here.
Hindi naman. Masabi niya mga
Not right now. Maybe later.
Lay down here.
Right, no.
Don't do that.
Just
I
do it.
Yeah.
Is that for us, the speaker? Is that more
Is
family?
your father?
That's another one that looks like a sister
Is your
or
father there?
cousin or
1,
something.
2, 3,
That's your
4.
father.
The girl on the back is the one that helped us.
Yeah, see the
Sitting
girl?
on it.
You're fine.
I don't know. Maybe later.
Hey, let your friends sit here. Oh.
Yeah. Hey, bro, come over here.
Looks like they're approaching. Yeah. Oh, that's the guy that helped us there.
That's what I'm funny, you know, fucking this. Because at first I'm like, fuck, are they pirates?
under the bridges? No?
No, we went the other way.
That's the harbor here.
That's the Tagbilaran ferry port over there.
We never know where they are.
Right here they catch sharks, they catch dolphins before.
Yeah.
Turtles right here.
Dolphins, turtles, everything.
Mandarins, seagulls right here.
I love that gypsy rag thing you have going on.
Babe, why are you moving closer and closer to Chris? Why are you moving closer and closer to
Because I
Chris?
haven't had my friend kiss yet,
Huh?
okay? I want my friend kiss.
Bisou. You have to say bisou.
Bisou, where's my bisou? Huh?
Babe, he said bisou.
Yay.
Oh, I thought they were going to do it. They're not. Oh, they're trying to start there.
500 people now. There's more people on this line than there is on this boat. Hey guys, I'm gonna steal some from here, and I can feel if ain't gonna mind. Go check us out as well. Come on, Double Trouble in Asia. I need some love too, man. Got my license.
Look at my card.
I can show you my license.
Yeah, license to fly, man. License to fly.
Hey, this is so we don't have to pay if we want to go there. Better not go in there though. I'm so mad at you for jumping in. It's dangerous.
That's a good point. That's a really good point.
You have problem?
Did he push you?
Out of my way.
Oh, them pretty ladies on the boat.
Pirate number 2.
Come on, Jhaja.
Babe, you got 5 cameras waiting for you.
So cute, I'm sure. She found that pink rag as well. Matching rag.
Nice. How'd you get? Yeah. There we go. Filipina Pocahontas.
Let's go. Michael, this is French, the rookie of the year. And this one's Meg A.
We're gonna look for a bikini for them, okay?
Where?
Like around there, maybe there is.
You have
Yeah,
one?
I have.
Or- For who? Benji, Rochelle, and Lonnie?
Rochelle's not
Benji, Lonnie, and Anna. Anna. Okay.
Alright, no, yes, no. Hey, look at the fish, bro.
There, film the fish.
Ah.
Look at that fish.
Where'd you get this tuna? Hello?
2-3 kilos.
Next time ulit yung ano na lang, yung pantulog. Next time. Kasi
Are you coming with us or no?
All right, bye, girls. See you in a bit.
For your health.
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.